We'll guide you through how to turn on or off incognito mode on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're currently in it or you're currently not and you want to get into it or get out of it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. Just to confirm what incognito mode is, we're going to be doing this in Chrome by the way as well. So if incognito mode is turned on, Chrome will not go and save your browsing history, cookies and site data, and other information that's entered. But it's important to note that your activity can still be visible to websites you visit, your internet provider, or anyone who manages your account, like your employer or school. So essentially others who use the device won't go and see your activity, so it allows you to go and browse more privately. You may want to go and keep this turned on, or you want to go and turn it off. So let's go and open up Chrome. At the moment, this is not currently on, because you can go and see we're just using a normal mode here. So if you want to go and turn it on or go and turn it off, it doesn't actually matter. If you're currently in it or go and say incognito mode, it's really clear. What you need to do is go and head to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and see three options, but you're looking for the tabs option and it's the one in the middle. Go and tap there. Now what you can do is if you're currently not in it, you press the three dots in the top right, and to go and turn it on, you press new incognito tab. This will then go and open it up. So you go and know you're in incognito mode as it will go and say you've gone incognito. So you've now gone and turned it on. But if you want to go and turn it off, what you want to do is go to the top right and you can go and press on the tabs button again. We've only got one tab there. And what you can do is actually go and close the tab and it'll then go and turn it off. If you want to go and keep it open, you can always go and switch back to your normal browsing mode by tapping on the tabs at the top. But you'll go and see I went and closed out of incognito mode and turned it off by closing the tabs. Of course, you can go and turn it on again by pressing the three dots in the top right and then pressing new incognito tab. But I don't want to, so that's it. You've successfully gone and turned it on or off. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. Have a great day and I look forward to catch you again on the channel or in another video.